top print-on-demand niche research ideas number 28. And all the ideas that I come up with in this video, I use Merchant Informer and Amazon.com. If you guys don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ Martinez. I have sold over $300,000 all time with my Amazon merch on demand account. All right, so we have 2 winners for the giveaway. Thank you very much for participating, by the way. It means a lot to me. The first winner is Dewey, and then the second winner is Zach. So I already reached out to you guys, and if you guys are unaware of the giveaway, I'll be doing 1 to 2 giveaways per month, and we're gonna have another giveaway coming up in June, so pay attention to that. And with that being said, all I ask for is give this video a thumbs up. Let's get into it.
First idea is going to be the Groovys retro schools out for summer. Now, like I talked about before, anything with this type of style, if you've been following along with this video series of different niche ideas, right? Niche research is one of the most important things when it comes to growing your business. And this pretty much applies for any type of business almost, I want to say. This white, it's a white t-shirt, right? They have it on all sizes. School's out for summer. And if we come down, look at the BSR chart, right? So May 11th, it started selling, but then that downwards trend that just going all the way down. 50K BSR. So this thing is cranking. It's making sales right now, right? And it's, you know, you can see all the lighter colors that they have it on. Simple design. Right. All right. Next idea is Juneteenth, remembering my ancestors. Juneteenth is coming up in June. So this niche right here is going to it's going to crush, right? It's going to crush. It's a powerful niche, right? Everyone's trying to make a statement right here when it comes to these type of t-shirts. Keep that in mind. So the colors too, the color scheme, look at the color scheme. So like you think of like Juneteenth, Black History, stuff like that. This is a really awesome like illustration graphic, and you can see so the red, yellow, and green, right? That whole color scheme, and white text remembering my ancestors, right? You come down, you have it at the price point of $13.98. We look at the BSR chart. It's made its first sale this month, May 6th. But now, as of now, it's trending downwards, right? And it's crushing, making a ton of sales. It was uploaded last month, but it's making sales this month. And they have it on several different products. Anything around this niche is going to crush. This is just to give you some inspiration to get an idea. But that graphic, it's pretty interesting graphic, right? It's pretty cool. You can see in her hair, you know, it got the color in there too as well. There's just so much detail at the shirt too. Anything around this is going to be crushing as of right now, and then even going into next month, this is going to make even more sales. And then here's another idea in this niche too, remembering my ancestors, Juneteenth. Very similar, see what they did here, but if you look here, it's kind of a different style. Got those big earring hoops, right? The poofy hair, right? It's a like the kind of like the, I want to say like the Afro style type hair, right? Real nice, pretty hair. This one too as well, real cool hair. You can see that, right? But the color scheme, red, yellow, and green, right? The lipstick, look at the big lips with the red lipstick. That's cool. That's clean. I like the style that's going on right here. It's like, it's a vibe, right? Really cool. But we come down here, we look at the BSR chart. On this one, your April 28th, right? It made its first sell, but then it's starting to trend downwards and make even more sales. It dropped all the way down to 76K, but I think as we get closer to Juneteenth, this is going to be a top seller too as well. Uploaded March 21st, 2023, right? So this year, but it's making consistent sales. Anything dabbing, right? And Juneteenth, right? Is obviously this is trending. That's going to be coming up. Anything around this, it's going to, obviously dabbing's been around for a while. The little girl with the red shirt, so the red, green, and yellow, right, color scheme going on. And then you have the fist right here, right? And this is perfect. I think this is a perfect design for like just Black History Month and Juneteenth. This is a really good idea, especially with the dabbing and mixing in the dabbing. It's something that's been trending around for many years now. And incorporating that with any of your top selling niches. If you can think of something for any of your top selling niches on your account, if you have a good selling niche and you can incorporate some type of dabbing design, do it. You're going to make a lot of sales with that. If we come down here, all-time sales, made its first sale, 22.2, right? But it's making the most sales as of this year. And I can see this, you know, making about maybe like anywhere between $100 to $200 for June of this year. I can see that doing that. The BSR is about 1.6 million. So I can see this design though, definitely catching some momentum and making more sales. We shall see in the next couple of weeks and see how this design does. This is a cool one. Mother-daughter cruise making memories. So mother and daughter, you can see, you know, the colors that they got going on with the, you know, like that cool pink, got the flamingo, got the little cruise ship in the water and the glasses, right? Think of mother-daughter trips, father and son, father, daughter, mother, son, you know what I mean? Stuff like that. This can be ideas as far as, you know, different trips, stuff, different trips around the world, vacations together, cruises together, special events together. Just think of something like that. It can be a really good idea, and it can kind of give you some inspiration to make sales with certain niches, or just come up with an idea to help you, you know, make a new design for a niche. We come over here, we look at the all-time sales. We're at 522.23 the first time it's made its sell. So within this month, right, it's made of one sell, and then we come and look, and it hasn't made another sell yet. It's ranked around 5.3 million. I feel like when it comes to anything like this can be a hot niche, especially if you can create a really nice design. But something like this is a good idea to create a new design in a low competition niche. All right, so the mermaid niche is a big niche right now, guys. When it comes to the Little Mermaid, right? So don't get this confused right here. Pay really close attention. Now, you cannot create designs for the actual Little Mermaid Disney movie, right? That's one of the reasons why it's trending and making so many sales right now, right? This niche is crushing it. So with that being said, obviously, if you have the rights to do so, you can. But if you don't, you can't. Repeat that. If you do not have the rights designed for the actual Little Mermaid character, do not do it. But that means the whole niche as a general, like the general niche, mermaid, is trending right now because of this. And you can see it's a bestseller, right? It's crushing. It's a Disney product, right? And Disney made a design for this, and now boom, look at it. Let's see, all-time sales, uploaded last month, right? And the design is just crushing and making all kinds of sales because the Mermaid movie is going to be released either it's today or tomorrow, but that means anything around Mermaid is going to be crushing. So let me show you a few examples. So I came over here just doing some research. Mermaid women's shirt. You're going to see, come down right here. This is sponsored. That's the Disney shirt, right? Come down a little bit more. Look at Mermaid seashell bra costume, 23K BSR. That's a good idea. Come down right here a little bit more. Mama of the birthday mermaid, 264. Daddy of the birthday mermaid. And then think about, like, you know, kids, you know, or mom and dad are taking their daughter to go watch a Little Mermaid for her birthday, and they're all wearing matching shirts. Mermaid squad. Right, well, that doesn't have a sell yet, but the people are running ads to it, and that's what I'm getting. Mermaid squad right here. Look at 92K BSR, right? And this has nothing to do with the movie. This is more about the general niche itself. Mermaid, right? Mermaid vibes, 77K BSR, and this can be a whole nother video. I can do some research on this and go into more detail about this. Mermaid vibes, right? And then the stuff like this, and there's like so many different ideas that you can come up with in this niche, right? And you can just attack this whole niche for the whole month and come up with different awesome design ideas for it, right? Now, if we come over here, so for example, mermaid man shirt, right? For a man. Mermaid security, you're seeing mermaid security, right? These ones I don't have no PSR. Mermaid brother, right? That's not a good idea. 710K BSR. Let me come down a little bit more to see what else we got in here. Come down. Mermaid squad again, right? There's that mermaid squad. Mermaids, yeah. So you look at this crushing. And now look at right now. You can see how it's peaking all the way down. It's going down right now. It's going to make some sales, especially, you know, over the next, I want to say the next few months. The movie's going to be hot. It's going to be a hot topic. People are going to see it, and they're going to be like, I want a mermaid birthday. I can see that, just, you know. Then for my birthday, I want to have mermaid. And little girls are going to see the mermaid movie, and they're going to want their birthdays and stuff like that, you know. All right, so mermaid mat. So mermaid security, you see that, right? 91K. Merdad, 658K, right? Security, 5 million. There's that shirt again. But yeah, mermaid security, 100K. But you can see this niche just crushing. And I'll make a whole separate video about doing some research in this and kind of give you guys a better insight of, you know, what's going on, but that'd be a whole different video. I can go on and on and on about this. Now, funny husband to wife sayings. It's not easy being my wife's arm candy, but I'm here and I'm nailing it. This design, I'm pretty sure we talked about in the series of all the, you know, research videos that we've been doing. But this one right here is still cranking. It's still making sales. So it's like something that's like trending, but it's still going. It's look at March, but look at as we get closer and closer to, you know, June and the summer, it's like it's still going downwards. It's making a lot of sales. And I want to say closer to Father's Day, right? Rephrase that real fast. Closer to Father's Day, like this shirt is crushing. And uploaded this year, 83K BSR, but I feel like this is it's a good shirt and a good shirt for, you know, it's not easy being my wife's arm candy, but I'm here nailing it. So this would be a shirt for a man, and this would be a good design for Father's Day. Now this is something that excited to share with you guys because this is a good one right here. My daughter-in-law is my favorite child. Remember, my son-in-law is my favorite child. Now you're literally just taking out the son and putting in the daughter. What happened? Just taking that flip and just coming up with that idea, and you see a phrase that's trending, and there's a different way that you phrase it by taking a word or just mixing up a few words on the design that makes sense. You can create a top-selling design in that niche, and the next thing you know, you have top-selling design. So first sale May 12th, and down this starts to crush. May 19th, 20th, and all the way till now. It's doing some damage, right? April, blooded in April, 9K BSR. It's like this niche right here is crushing. This is amazing. Putting up some really big numbers. Just taking, you know, coming up with that one, and it's a simple text-based design too, right? Just that retro style color scheme, right? But it's simple text-based design, and it's up there. That's right. It's one of the top-selling shirts on Amazon right now.
And if you're struggling to come up with more niche ideas, watch this video right here.